And I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to look at 4 applications that you need for you to start trading forex. Let's get it. Into these 4 applications that you need. The first application that you need is TradingView. So this is TradingView. TradingView basically it's an application that you use to do your analysis. With TradingView, you can get a free version and you can get a version where you need to pay so you can have more features, but with the free version you are limited. TradingView, as you can see here, it's a really nice tool to use because you're getting a lot of tools that you can utilize to maximize your analysis strategy. You're getting all these kind of tools. You're getting this tool where you can predict the time on how long it's going to take. This one took 4 days and 9 hours. You can also mark your all the pairs that you saw a potential on them. You mark them like this, so that every time when you open your watch list, you can be able to just have a glance on the eye with on those pairs without looking into a lot of things and wasting time. And another thing with TradingView is that you can link it because you have to log in with your account. So whatever analysis that you have on TradingView, you can also access that analysis through your phone because you're using the same account. So that's a nice part about it. You can do your analysis and then you can go wherever you want to go. During the day, you can just use your phone and check your analysis if it's going the way that you predicted or anything. And then once you've done your analysis, the second application that you need is MT4. This is MT4, as some of you know, and some of you are using MT4 to do your analysis, which is not a bad thing, excuse me, but it's not an ideal application to use for analysis. The reason why I stopped using MT4, it's because of these kind of things. You see this trend line, every time when you do your analysis, you leave your trend line like this, you log off, and then you come back, you find that this trend line have moved to this level. You don't even know why it moved. Then you need to move it again to where you had placed it before. So that thing was irritating me a lot. So that's another reason why I had to stop using MT4. And even the visualization, you don't even have a lot of tools. You just have the common tools like Fibonacci and RSI and all the indicators. You don't even have a variety of tools like you do on TradingView. On TradingView, you're getting a lot of tools that you can utilize um, at your advantage, right? So MT4 you're using to execute the trades. You can use it for analysis, but it's not ideal. It's best to use for executing the trade. You do your analysis on TradingView and execute on MT4. Then let's move on to the third application that you need. The third application is Forex Factory. Forex Factory is the application that you use just to, it's basically to check the news. If there is any news that will affect you with your trading plan. When you log in here, this is the home page that you will find. This is the home page. And then from the home page, what you need to do, you need to click the calendar. You click the calendar here, and then you make sure that the time is the same time as your current location time. If not, and then you need to change it. And then what you need to do, you just need to look, you see these small icons that looks like a warehouse. You need to look at the red ones, like for instance this one, the strong red ones, not the yellow or orange one, you need to look at the red ones. If it's red like this, it means they will release the news at 5 a.m. on the 27th April on Tuesday, and these news might affect the market, because every time when they release the news, it affects the market somehow. So this is just to see whatever pairs that you had a look in them, just to see if they will have any news, and just be aware that the market might be affected at that time. Right? So that's the third application you need to use. The last application, which is the fourth application, is my FX book. You need to have this application because it helps you to monitor or to track your performance. So what you need to do is you link your broker here. As you can see, I have two brokers that I've linked already. You just add the account, you link your broker, and every time when you are having trades, it pulls the information from your MT4 to this platform. And then here you can see how you are performing. You can see your graphs and the status. And the nice thing about this is that it's a free version. You don't even have to pay for it. But the bad part about it is that uh, sometimes you might find that they don't have your broker within the platform. You might have to move on to a different broker so you can be able to track your performance. So that's all about it, guys. Those are the four applications that you need. Just to recap, the first application is TradingView for you to do your analysis. There's a free version and there's a version where you need to pay. The second one is MT4 for executing the trades. The third one is forex factoring, just to monitor and track the news. And the fourth one is my FX book to track the performance, if you are consistent or not. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe and share this video with your friend. Catch you on the next one.